Many bloggers find themselves having more reach on social platforms than on blogging platforms. However, sharing each blog across different sites can become a tedious task. It involves writing summaries, switching tabs, and manually posting them to platforms like X and LinkedIn. This process is repetitive, time-consuming, and it's easy to overlook. That's the reason I developed BlogShare, a tool that simplifies this entire process with just a single click, all powered by AI. Let's begin by signing up. After signing up, you'll be directed to a verification page where you'll need to verify your Hashnode API key and then confirm your email. For this demonstration, I'm using a temporary API key. After entering your API key, you'll need to verify your email by inputting the OTP sent to you. You can choose to connect either Twitter or LinkedIn or both, depending on what you need. In this demo, I'm connecting my Twitter or X account. I'm using OR for this step. Once the connection to my X account is established, you can see it retrieves all the blogs from my Hashnode account and displays them right here. It allows you to schedule or instantly post to X and LinkedIn from a single interface. Let's try sharing a blog. You can select multiple platforms at once and share with just a click. For this example, I'm sharing on X only. I've clicked on Share Now, and just like that, the blog is shared. You can see the notification that the blog has been shared successfully. Let's verify this by refreshing my account, and there it is, shared in its entirety. This tweet isn't directly from me, it's posted by BlogShare. I'm able to see it instantly, and I'm using AI for the summaries. Specifically, Gemini AI is working in the background. Let's take a closer look at the runtime architecture that powers BlogShare. I'm utilizing Azure Cloud. For containerizing both the backend and frontend, I use Docker, and then I deploy it on Azure App Service. Azure App Service handles scalability and manages the infrastructure in the background. For CDN, DNS, and basic DDoS protection, Cloudflare is in use. Data storage relies on MongoDB, and caching is managed with Redis. Additionally, all inputs are sanitized, CSRF tokens are implemented, XSS protection is in place, and rate limiting is custom-built based on IP addresses. Let's delve into the scheduling component where all blogs are stored in a heap-based queue, sorted by priority. An agent checks this queue for any pending blogs and deploys worker functions as coroutines to run concurrently, ensuring both scalability and efficiency. Let's also explore the CI/CD workflow. I'm using a GitHub monorepo with GitHub Actions for the CI/CD workflow. It runs tests, linting, and formatting checks before deploying. The CD pipeline has a conditional deployment process based on which folder has been changed, deploying only that specific folder to Azure Cloud. For more details about the architecture behind BlogShare, please refer to the project README file. I'll share the link in the description. If you're in search of a back-end or full-stack developer with expertise in cloud infrastructure and automation, let's connect.